Hi, Kristy Titus here, and we're at the range with Katie Godfrey from Kestrel Ballistics. Today we're talking about a really exciting new product. It's the new Kestrel 2700 Ballistics Weather Meter.
Yep, we're really excited about the Load and Go product, and we already went through a video and figured out how to load it. Now we're ready to go shoot. The Kestrel defaults into your elevation and windage screen. It's always going to give you your hold. To get into the environmentals, we're going to hit that center button, and that'll get us started. First thing you see is your temperature. You want to make sure that this blue coil has airflow around it. The easiest way to do it is to swing your Kestrel around. We're going to hit the center button and move on. Now we're capturing our direction of fire, which you have to capture before your wind direction. So point it straight at the target, center button again, and now we're into our wind capture mode.
To capture the wind direction, it's really easy. We just hold the back of the unit into the strongest value of the wind.
Yep. And then hit that center button again to lock it in.
Once your environmentals are entered and your target direction is entered, then we can go ahead and enter our target range and then get our solution that will help us compensate for bullet drop at that distance.
Yeah, correct. So what is our first target?
Our first target's going to be at 240 yards.
Perfect. Hit the right button, and that's going to get you into the yardage, and then you can toggle to the right or the left.
So for those of you using this, the yardage is defaulted in actual yards, but you can set this up in meters within the app itself.
Once we have 240 locked in, we're going to let it go back to our elevation and windage screen.
Then this is going to give me a solution for my elevation and my windage. So now I'm going to dial what I want for my elevation, which this one is 0.6. That will give me a point of aim, point of impact, and it's also going to give me a corresponding wind hold so that I can use my reticle to compensate for wind.
Yep.
For those of you that are interested in acquiring the Kestrel 2700 Ballistics Weather Meter, go to either Cabela's or Bass Pro. And if you'd like to learn more information about Kestrel, where can people learn?
You can go to kestrelballistics.com and get all the info that you need.